Well, hello people, my name's Mark David and welcome to my channel. I'm here to teach you how to draw cartoons. And in my ongoing quest to maintain high production values in these videos, I've prepared a little checklist of things to remember. First thing on the list is pot plant. Yep, I'll just tick that one off the list. Cool. Second on the list, remember to smile. Good, done that. 3, remind people to like, comment and subscribe. Like, comment and subscribe. Done that, that's everything on the list. That was easy. Thank you for watching. Okay, I'm back. Wasn't a great start this video, I understand. Let's just say we got off on the wrong foot. And you see what I did there? Nice little segue into today's cartooning subject. We're going to be drawing feet. That's right, we've done hands already. Now we're going to draw feet. But I just want to add that personally as a cartoonist, I haven't had to draw feet very often because most of my cartooning has been of, I suppose, political cartoons, and politicians tend to wear suits and ties and stuff like that. So they're mostly always, well, they're pretty much always wearing shoes. And so the feet are hidden, just draw a shoe. It's a nice way to get around drawing feet, just like when I used to draw cartoons and I couldn't draw hands properly. I had to have people with their hands in their pockets or hands behind something. So you might find you don't have to draw feet very often yourself, but if you do, I'll show you a very simple way of drawing feet, and I encourage you to have a go and follow along with me. I'll go step by step to give you a chance to keep up with me, because it's more fun if you have a go doing this yourself. So if you've got some paper and a pen, I encourage you to have a go. I'm going to start by just drawing a funny kind of guideline shape. It's sort of it's the beginning of a foot. Doesn't look like a foot yet, I know. Don't know what kind of shape it is. It's kind of it's not quite a rectangle. It's not quite a parallelogram. It's just kind of a strange shape. But it's going to be a foot fairly soon. So I'm going to draw an ankle coming off here. There's the ankle. And now we'll draw the first toe, the big toe. Big toe. And the 4 other little toes. There we go. And you draw the heel. Heel sort of sticking out the back of the ankle. Heel, that's what it is, it's a heel. I go into that first shape a little bit and just join them up to draw the rest of the foot. And there's our foot. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make all that very faint, turn into a guideline, and I'm going to trace it, because that would be the second stage of doing this, just drawing over the top of what we've drawn before. And we've got our foot. Now, if you're drawing a foot really up close, you can even draw a bit of toenail action up here, just a little hint of toenails. If you're drawing it really small, then probably not so good to draw the toenails, because all that extra detail is going to make the toenails look very heavily inked in, and it'll draw too much attention to the foot because people will just look at where all that detail is. And you might not want people to look at the foot. The foot just should be part of the drawing, not the main focus of the drawing. So this is where you've got to be a little bit careful about where you put most of your attention in drawing, because where you put your attention in the drawing, that's where the viewers going to put most of their attention when they look at your drawings. So keep that in mind. So there's our foot. I don't think it was too difficult to draw. And don't worry if your foot doesn't look like my drawing of a foot. I could think of nothing more boring than a world in which all the cartoons have to look exactly the same as mine. If your foot drawing looks different to mine, then good, I applaud that. It's the differences that makes cartooning and the world more interesting. So thank you for watching this video. I encourage you to come back to watch the next one, which is going to be about perspective, some little tips for drawing perspective. So I hope to see you back with that one. Thank you for watching.